There's a version of retirement that looks like a marina slip and short weekend trips. And then there's this. You've done the work, you've earned the Horizon. The Horizon PC52 was built for the moment you finally point the bow toward open water and don't look back. Twin 550 horse Cummins diesels, 22 knots when you want to cover ground, a rock-solid 22-foot beam that makes every anchorage feel like home, and nearly 960 gallons of fuel to back up wherever you decide to go. 3 staterooms, every guest comfortable every morning somewhere new, the Bahamas, the Florida Keys, the Exumas, the passages you've been putting off for years. The owner's suite runs the full length of the starboard hull, private, quiet, a proper master stateroom that feels nothing like what you expected on a boat. The flybridge helm puts you above it all, full visibility, open air, your schedule, CEA offshore certified. Horizon doesn't build marina boats. They build vessels designed for the open sea. This isn't a step up from your last boat. This is the boat you always meant to own. Horizon Power Catamarans, built for the life you planned. If this looks like your next chapter, the full listing is at Minted Yachts, link in the description below. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see in our next review.